Hey, welcome back to Schrader Tree Farm. I want to talk to you about one of the most used tools we have here on the farm, and this is my chainsaw. I've got a couple different ones. This is the one I like the most. This is a Stihl, and it is a Stihl 250. It's got like a quick start, which is sometimes convenient. Some people can't figure it out, but you can pull it and wait, and the saw will start on its own, so it's got like a compression brake on it. But I want to talk about keeping your blades sharp. So I use a hand file, and then we just you want to move from one side and take your file and just go with the stroke away from your body, and just you don't want to come back and forth. You want to go one way. If you can see on your chainsaw teeth of your blade, there's actually a little angle mark, so it's showing me that I need to make my stroke at this angle. So I just make about 4 or 5 good hard file strokes, and I do one, then I can move my blade back a little bit and then just do the next one. Now I just kind of started in an arbitrary spot, but if you look at a chainsaw blade, it's got a double tooth on it, and normally it's marked. See mine right here? This has got like a master link that is green. So that tells you a spot where you can start from, so you know when you've gone and filed all of your teeth. So I've done the one side of the blade already. I've had to turn the saw around, and now the teeth, if you can see, they're staggered. One goes this way and one goes this way. So now I'm going to do all the ones that are pointing in the opposite direction that I just did. I've already done these. You want to try to be on the short side of your tooth, and then I just go away from myself. So now I'm going to work myself around and do the whole other side of the blade. And you can really, if you're going really fast, you can probably do a whole blade in like 5 minutes. So, and it's easy. You can just carry this tool with you if you're down in the woods. You can get this done if you hit the dirt or a rock or something, and you just need to sharpen it real quick. So some other maintenance things you want to do, you can pop this little lever on this saw and check your air filter. And this one needs to be cleaned. As you can see, it's clogged up pretty good. I just kind of scrape it off. I'll take it off and clean it later. But there's just a little knob you switch on and off. Other things that you like to do, whenever I fill a chainsaw with gas, you always want to put bar oil in it. So you got gas, oil. You always want to fill oil when you do gas, because your oil is going to lubricate your bar. Other thing you want to do is pop this cover off. This is what you can, this has got a quick little knob that will tighten your blade. So as I take this screw out, it's gonna get loose. Kind of on the wrong side for unscrewing things. But as you can tell, there's a bunch of sawdust up in here. So what I'll do is take a screwdriver or my finger and try to get all this out. Something else you want to clean out around this wheel. Clean down in here behind your chain. So we've cleaned this out pretty decent, but there's still some chunks here and there. But this is the stuff we took out of there, so we got a big pile. So you need to clean your chainsaw pretty frequently. We've been doing a lot of sawing here around the farm, getting ready for our big spring planting. couple basic tools to do maintenance on your chainsaw. Flathead screwdriver to scrape all the gunk out from inside around the blade, and then a chainsaw file to file all your teeth on your blade. So if you like videos like this, we're going to try to do more DIY videos. Just like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Schrader Tree Farms. It helps us make more videos like this in the upcoming days and weeks. Thanks a lot for watching.